guys, what's going on? Welcome to another cool RF Creations video. As you guys can see behind me, we have a few boxes. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. So guys, starting with our first box from Extreme PSI. For those who know Extreme PSI, know that they sell cool stuff. So this is going to be an exciting box. Let's go. So we're gonna open our box. This is our invoice. What we have here is a HKS fine-tuned timing belt. Really awesome. You can see Nyla is excited too. Nyla is going to help me with the unboxing today, guys. So let's go. This is the HKS fine-tuned timing belt. Here we have Nyla. Nyla, say hi to the camera. Yeah. We have a oil filter, a genuine oil filter, genuine Mitsubishi oil filter. We also have fittings for the oil catch can, as you guys can see. And also Nyla. Let's check this out. We have a OEM Mitsubishi water pump. As you guys know, it's always smart to refresh your engine before putting it back in the car. So we have a genuine Mitsubishi oil water pump. We have our HKS timing belt. So we have our fittings. We have our oil filter. And that concludes the first box. Let's keep going. So guys, now it's time for our second box for today. It's also coming from Extreme PSI. So let's check out what's in the box. Using the kitchen knife. So this is our second Extreme PSI box. We have our invoice. By the way, this box purchase total was $412.93 for the second purchase, second box. The first box was a total of $469.36. So we have almost $1,000 in only two boxes. Let's go. We have our ARP cam sprocket bolts. So you guys see it here. Okay. We have our HKS cam pulleys. I'm very excited for these ones. It's going to look awesome. The engine bay, guys, it's going to be sexy, guys. So there we have it, our two HKS cam gear pulleys. Here you go. So guys, that concludes the second box for today, our cam gear sprocket bolt, sorry, and our cam gear pulleys. So let's continue with the third box for today, guys. So guys, switching over to our third box of the day, also from Extreme PSI. Let's see what's in the box. Extreme PSI always doing a great job packing the items. Let's see. We have our invoice. This purchase was total of $126.50. Let's see what we have. We have a new dipstick. I needed a new dipstick, so we have two here. And of course, we have our exactly transparent cam gear cover. So as you guys can see, we have the whole set. We have our HKS cam gear pulleys, HKS timing belt, and exactly transparent cam gear cover. So it's going to be awesome. It's going to look great, guys. Alright, so guys, that concludes our third box of the day. And Nyla is chilling in the box. Nyla, she loves boxes. I don't know why, but she loves boxes. So let's go to the fourth box of the day. Let's go. Okay guys, so our next and fourth box of the day is from Mitsubishi Motors. It's from the Mitsubishi dealership. So let's take a look what's inside. So guys, what we have here, it's a brand new, genuine driver side window switch. I was in shock when I found out that you can still purchase these switches brand new. The funny thing is, guys, that you can still purchase the driver side brand new, but the passenger side is discontinued. I don't know why, but I'm happy that I found this one brand new. So that concludes the fourth box for today. Let's go to the fifth one. And our last shipment of the day, guys, is from Amazon. Let's check it out. Looks like it was opened by customs. And what we have here is our cam gear tool for when we're going to set up the timing belt. This is going to hold the cam gears in place. So that concludes the fifth and last shipment of the day. So guys, here's a quick look of everything that we unboxed today. Everything that you see here is for the DSM. So it's almost time for the engine to go back into the car. I'm very excited, guys. So guys, once again, we've reached the end of another RWeb Creations video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you would like to see more unboxing videos on the channel, please let me know in the comment section below. That being said, you guys take care. See you in the next one. Keep it sideways, baby. Let's go.